Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Have you ever gotten excited about a pair of scissors? If you haven't, then you definitely haven't used this pair from LIVINGO. Scissors are something that I find myself using on basically a daily basis, and if they are not high quality, I tear through them like nothing else. I'm always breaking handles or blades trying to cut through thick things. I am so impressed with the quality of these scissors. They are premium heavy duty and they absolutely live up to everything they say they will do. The 8.5-inch blades are stainless steel, titanium coated, and I was able to use them to cut through not just 16 layers of regular fabric, but 16 layers of Sunbrella fabric. This is heavy duty canvas-like fabric that's waterproof, and generally a regular pair of scissors will have a very difficult time cutting through it. But you can see this just goes through butter like everything I tried it on. I get a ton of cardboard boxes, and I love that these can handle cutting through one layer of cardboard, but actually up to 6 layers. If you're cutting through something that has glue or tape on it, a lot of times a sticky residue will get on your scissors and it gums it up. Well, the coating on these ones actually keeps it from getting gummed up and keeps it clean, which I really love. I'm so happy that I have a pair of scissors that can handle all of the abuse that I'm giving it, and I'm a seamstress, so it can handle all the fabric that I want to cut through as well. You really need a pair of these. You don't know what you're missing in your life until you've tried them. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.